Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another tool in the SDU Tools series called Token Set Similarity. This function calculates what's called token set similarity for two strings. It answers the question, do these two strings contain mostly the same words, even if the order, the spacing, or the repetition differs? It's useful where the word order varies or extra or missing words are common. It can also help where character level typos are less important than the presence of words. Now, the function is order-insensitive, which is good for names and titles, and it's intentionally set-based. Duplicates don't increase the similarity. And so with this here, we'll look at the example. And so in the case of Acme Inc. Australia, and we had Australia Acme Incorporated, it said that two of the tokens were the same basically, and so we ended up with a similarity of 0.5. Here I've got Greg Lowe and I've got Lowe Greg. It says they're basically the same thing, and Microsoft SQL Server and Postgres basically return 0, so there's no tokens in that string that are the same at all. Now, for what's called token weighting, which is downplaying common words like PTY, LTD, or INC for incorporated and so on, you might consider adding a stop word table and filtering the tokens before they're inserted as part of the function, but by default it doesn't do that. It does return null if you provide null or empty string input, and this is another function which is fairly computationally intensive, and if you have large volumes of data to compare, you might want to consider modifying it to be a table-valued function using the same techniques though. And so look, we hope you find this tool useful. For more information or to download the tools, visit us at sqldownunder.com.